let's start with chapter number 6, Enjoy with Pick. Now we do drawings on the drawing notebook like this. Now we will do drawing on the paint window, right? So I will tell you about how to start the paint and different parts of paint window working with the tool group, right? And how to use shape tools, brushes, and how to save the drawing, open the drawing. Now let's start with the starting up paint. So for that, to open a paint program, now the following steps have been given. You will click on the start button, scroll to the program starting with P and select paint. Like this, your paint window will appear. These are the different components of the paint window. Like we have file tab. This is your ribbon, right? This is quick access toolbar. It is called group, and this is the area where we draw different things. It is called drawing area, right? First is title bar. So the blue bar at the top of the window is known as title bar. What is displays? Program name and file name. Program का name display करता है, file का name display करता है. Now quick access toolbar. It contains buttons to do common tasks. Ribbon, it consists of two parts, tab and groups. Next is tab. Paint ribbon has three tabs, file tab, home tab and view tab. Each tabs contain different tools and we can call clipper, clipboard, image, tools, shapes and colors. Now file tab. It opens a drop down menu which has option that helps you to save a file. You can open a new or save the file or print a file over here. Now we have group. So a group is a set of related commands. The tools group contain pencil, fill with color, text, eraser, color picker or magnifier. These are the different tools. Now drawing area, it covers a major part of the paint window. It is a place where you draw and color pictures. यहाँ पे आप color कर सकते हो, pictures को draw कर सकते हो. Now working with tool group. First is your pencil tool. First is your pencil tool. Click on pencil tool, click on size button to select line thickness. How much thin you want, right? Then you will click on the color, hold down the left mouse button, move the mouse around to draw, right? Now, next is your fill with color tool. Now you want to fill the color. For that, you have to select the color and click inside the shape and your color will be filled over there. Next, we have eraser tool. So, the eraser tool is used for erasing any unwanted part. I click on eraser tool, click on the size button to select the eraser thickness. कि eraser की thickness कैसे आपको उसको select करना है. Click and drag the eraser over the area of picture you want to erase. Next is text tool. Now, if you want to write the text, for that click on text tool, click inside the drawing area where you want to place a text and you can write according to your choice. Now then we have brush tool. Brush tool, they are used to draw lines and curves that have different appearance and texture. We have artistic brushes which is available. Steps are, first of all, click on the brush tool, select the brush stroke and you have to select the brush thickness. कि brush की thickness कितनी होनी चाहिए. Hold down the left mouse button and move the mouse around to draw. आप mouse को hold करके रखेंगे draw करने. Next is working with shape. You can use shape group in MS Paint for drawing different types of ready-made shape. Like you want to draw rectangle, oval, triangles, arrows, star, heart, like this. Now drawing using ready-made shape tool. Now you have to draw using ready-made shape tool. For that you have to select tool from shape group. Right? Select the color of your choice, whatever choice color you want, and you will drag the mouse in drawing area and you can draw shape over there. Next is saving the drawing. Now, if you want to save the drawing, it is very important to save our picture so that you don't lose your work. So, click on File tab, click on Save as option, type the name in the file name box and you will click on Save button and your file will be saved. Now, opening and save ओपनिंग द सेम ड्राइंग. देखो जो हमने ड्राइंग सेव करते हैं उसको ओपन करके देखना है तो हम कैसे करेंगे. So for that you have to click on File tab, click on Open option, select the file name from the list and click on Open button and your file will be open, right? Next is closing. Now we want to close the paint window. For that, what you will do when you are done using the paint program, you can close it by the following step. To close the paint program, you will click on the close button, this sign, like this sign or file tab and then click on exit option and your file will be exit. Right? Now we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood everything. We will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.